welcome to my channel. Today we're going to focus on a basic stitch. Today's stitch is called a double crochet, and you can see I already have some crochet started here so that we can just go ahead and jump in for our lesson. So in today's tutorial on double crochet, it's going to be some of the similar concepts as the single crochet. You're going to put your hook into these holes here and make sure that you're putting it under both sides of these V's here. If you want to know more about that, go ahead and see my tutorial on the single crochet. So for here, before we put the hook into that hole, for the double crochet, you're actually going to yarn over first so that you can take some yarn with you into that hole. And then you're going to insert your hook in the stitch. You're going to yarn over and pull up, and now you'll see you have 3 loops on the hook. So now you're going to want to yarn over, but this time only pull through 2, not all of them. You're going to yarn over and pull through 2 more. So let's try that one more time. Yarn over before you put it in the hook. In the hole. You're going to insert your hook in the stitch. You're going to yarn over and pull up. Now you have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. So yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So that one is, you'll notice, twice as high as a single crochet. That's because of the extra part of the stitch that we're doing there. And anytime your pattern calls for a double crochet, or what will be abbreviated as a DC, that is what you're going to do. So I hope that's helpful. If you have questions or want further instruction, please leave me a comment. Thanks, everyone.